Introducing the Hyte Y70, one of the most visually striking and functional PC cases on the market. It features a tempered glass panel with angled sections that wrap around the front corner, giving you a clear and complete view of your setup. It comes vertical GPU ready and supports GPUs up to 422 millimeters in length. Its dual-chamber design separates the power supply and cables from the rest of your components, keeping everything clean, organized, and improving airflow throughout the case. The Hyte Y70 supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, including Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, and eATX. For this setup, we will be using a 32GB DDR5 Predator RAM kit, along with a 1TB M.2 NVMe storage drive from Kingston, and we'll be pairing it with the sleek MSI B650 Gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. For processing, we'll be using the AMD Ryzen 5 8400F processor, a choice we like for its great cost-to-performance ratio. We've chosen the DeepCool Mystique 360 for CPU cooling, thanks to its solid performance. This all-in-one liquid cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste and features a built-in LCD screen, perfect for monitoring temperatures and adding a custom touch. The Hyte Y70 features a well-thought-out dust filtration system that includes, at the top, a large magnetic mesh filter. On the side, a filter that protects the power supply intake. And at the bottom, a full-length removable filter that helps keep airflow clean from below. Now we'll install the three 120mm bottom fans, which can be a bit tricky. If you want a more detailed video on this step, click the link in the description at the end of the video, or tap the card in the corner of the screen. Our PSU will be the Thermaltake Toughpower GT 850-watt power supply. It's fully modular, includes a zero fan feature, and in my experience, it handles tough workloads with ease. A great choice with reliable performance at a very reasonable price. Powering graphics, we have the ASUS dual Radeon RX 7700 XT OC edition from AMD's Radeon lineup, featuring 12GB of GDDR6 memory. Make sure to subscribe for more setups, reviews, and unboxings from our channel. Until the next one.